Hello everyone, myself Pallavi Murudkar. I am corporate trainer. I have been in education industry from 2006. I welcome you all in podcast of Effective Life Management Program. So hello Dr. Rekha.
Hello.
Yeah. So Dr. Rekha, I have question related to what are causes of failures in life.
Okay, good question. First of all, when we talk about failure, what happens is most of the times we think about failure in a business, failure in exams, and that's all. What more failure? Business may you fail either in business or in exams. But no, that is not the case. People tend to fail in various different angles of life. And we also hear a phrase, once a failure, always a failure. That's not the case. That is a typical statement used by some people in order to demoralize people. Remember that. Then what is failure? I would ask you one thing. Have you heard about the concept of trial and error method in psychology?
Yes.
Now, I would ask you one thing. If you want to achieve something, if you want to reach somewhere, and you do not know, what do? You try one way, and if the first attempt is great, successful, it is amazing. But if it is not, we realize that our method was wrong. We try another way. We realize it was not right. We try another way. And we keep on trying it till we succeed, right? Are you aware that the electricity that we are using now, electric bulbs, the light we are seeing now, the one who invented it for the first time, Edison, how many times he failed? Are you aware?
No.
Thousands of times. And do you know what gift he got when he was successful for the first time? You're not heard about it. He succeeded right in the midnight at 2 o'clock. And the only person in the house was his wife, who was fast asleep. So, in full excitement, he woke up his wife to tell him that his experiment is successful. And his reward was a tight slap from his wife. But he did not get discouraged by that. Of course, because he had tried for years together. So, after digesting the failures for years together, he was able to reach the success. That means, remember, every failure is a step towards success, and this happens in life. That means it happens at every stage of life. So when we talk about failure, it is not only exam and business or job. No, it is everywhere, in relationships or in overall maintaining your good health, in maintaining your happiness. And of course success, the rest of the things is always there. And now you wanted to know what is failure. So I hope you understood what exactly is failure and how one should look at it. So we are definitely going to see that in our Effective Life Management Program.
I have a question related to if someone fails first time.
Ah,
So whenever he will going to attain that thing again
ah,
in second time,
ah,
so he has some fear in his mind
right.
whether this will going to be a successful or not.
Perfect.
And because of this consciousness,
Hmm.
he may lose that particular success,
Mm.
or he will not get whatever he is thinking.
Right.
So
In a way, what you say is right. This is what happens with many people. Once a person fails, a person loses his confidence.
correct.
But my question is, if a person fails, he has not failed because he is not good. He has failed because he has chosen a wrong path. Simple. If at all, I am here in Mumbai, and if I have to go to New Delhi, and if I catch an aeroplane going to Chennai, can I reach Delhi? No way. And then I may say, oh my God, I wanted to reach Delhi and I reached Chennai. That is my biggest failure. Yes, that biggest failure is because I got a wrong flight. It is not because I am wrong. The moment you understand this, you will not get discouraged. You will not lose your confidence. Next time, while choosing your flight, you will think properly.
Yes.
Otherwise, from Chennai, if I want to go to Delhi and I catch a flight going to Honolulu, then what? Again, another failure. This kind of things keep on happening. So remember, it is only a matter of wrong choice. It is not a matter of you are wrong or you are bad. Once person understands this, he will never ever feel discouraged.
Very nicely said. Well, Dr. Rekha, I must say you have changed my concept of failure. So, thanks again. And just I want to ask this question: how to enroll for this program?
Well, effective life management, as I told you, is a full 1 year online program that transforms a person completely by letting a person understand all the angles of life. And for enrolling for the program, it is very simple. One key, you're seeing the phone number scrolling down. You can call on that number, you can WhatsApp the number. Maybe if you call and you don't get the number answered, don't worry, we'll call you back. Or you can drop a WhatsApp message. Or alternatively, you can also fill up the Google form below. And we will get back to you with all the further details. That's it. Very simple.